Today, I'll show you how to create a landing page in Klaviyo. If you're looking to enhance your digital marketing efforts and capture more leads, creating an effective landing page is a great place to start. Klaviyo offers a robust platform that allows you to design, customize, and publish landing pages with ease. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get your landing page up and running in no time. First, you'll want to navigate to the landing page tab within your Klaviyo dashboard. You can find this in the main left-hand menu. This tab is your gateway to creating a brand new landing page and managing existing ones, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area. Once you're there, look for the Create from Scratch button in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will direct you to the setup page, where you'll start building your landing page from the ground up. This is the perfect opportunity to take control of your page's design and functionality. Next, you'll be prompted to give your page a descriptive name. Choosing a clear and specific name will help you easily identify the landing page later on, especially if you manage multiple pages. After naming your page, it's important to choose which subscriber list you want your form to sync with. This ensures that any new signups from the landing page are automatically added to the correct list. Now, select Hosted Page Landing Page as your form type. This option is crucial as it sets the foundation for your landing page, distinguishing it from other types of forms you might create on Klaviyo. Once you've made these selections, click Create Form to move on to the fun part, designing your page. In the Visual Editor canvas, you can build out your page layout by dragging and dropping different blocks from the left sidebar panel. Whether you want to add text, images, or input fields, the drag and drop functionality makes it easy to customize your layout. Take your time experimenting with different elements until you're satisfied with the look and feel of your page. After you've arranged your blocks, it's time to refine the overall design using the Master Styles tab in the left panel. This is where you can adjust layout parameters to better suit your branding and style preferences. Consider expanding the form width setting to full screen or to another desktop size that fits your vision. This ensures that your landing page looks great on all devices. Finally, when you're happy with the design and layout, look for the Publish button in the top right corner. Clicking Publish will take your landing page live, making it accessible to your audience. Make sure you double-check everything before publishing to ensure that all elements are in place and functioning as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully created a landing page in Klaviyo. With your new landing page live, you're now ready to start capturing leads and driving conversions. Remember, a well-designed landing page can make a significant impact on your marketing efforts, so take the time to fine-tune it as needed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.